Pati ikaw, madam.
Sorry, Your Honor. It is...
Huwag mong influencein yung sagot niya. Ikaw ba, abogado niya? Eh kasi, yung ginagawa niyo, hindi niyo na nirespeto itong committee na ito eh.
Sorry, Your Honor.
Bakit mo tuturuan siya? Ano ituturo mo? Yung tamang sagot o yung maling sagot? I'm reminding you na pag nagsinungaling kayo rito, ipakukulong ko kayo. Hindi dito sa premises na ito. Doon sa Quezon City Jail. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
I remind you, mama. Kasi huwag niyo ubusin pasensya namin dito.
Okay, thank you.
Alam mo na tong dulo nito eh. Again let me remind you. Yung question of your privilege to invoke self-incriminating statements, titingnan po natin kung self-incriminating. If you stand by it, kami dito we will move to cite you in contempt. Tandaan niyo yan. Ay, ito, bago kay Chairman Chairman Kit, tanungin ko kayo, ba't kayo nag-retire? Maaga. Tanya pa eh. Ikaw, how old are you, Forto?
Mr. Chair, 29 years old.
29. Ikaw?
27 po, Mr. Chair.
27. Anong work of place mo ngayon? Saan ka nagtatrabaho?
Sa BSP po, Mr. Chair.
Nag-resign ka muna? Nag-retire ka muna sa ano?
Transfer po, Mr. Chair.
Hindi retirement. Lateral.
Lateral transfer po, Mr.
Ikaw?
Chair.
Same po, Mr. Chair.
Lateral din.
Lateral transfer po.
Anong item niyo doon sa ano? BSP?
Currency assistant po, Mr. Chair.
Currency assistant?
Yes po.
Ikaw? Forto?
Senior Currency Operations Specialist.
O tayo, promoted pa kayo. Eto Eto. Walang personalan to. Walang personalan to. Pero habulin kayo ng committee nito sa BSP. Pag hindi kayo nag-cooperate. Naglateral pa pala kayo eh. Tapos promotion pa. Sa Bangko Sentral. BSP. Ito, you should cooperate. Ako, I just want to warn you.
Mr. Chair,
Yes.
I just want to share an information to the committee. Unless the procedure has been changed already, but my first job was a checking account clerk. That was long time ago. Very long. Nonetheless, I can still vividly recall that the check is being presented to the teller. And then the teller endorses it to the checking account clerk for verification. Once verified, she gives signal to the teller to give money to the payee. That is the process. Unless it has been changed already, I do not understand why the tellers are claiming that their only job is to deliver the cash. Walang delivery ng cash unless a check is presented to the teller. Mr. Chair.
Thank you for that information, Vice Chair. Ito, before I give the floor to Co-Chair, Kit. Madam, yung mga taga-Land Bank, now you're lying. Alam niyo bakit? When we asked you about the presence of the two teller, yung Porto at saka Corpus, sabi niyo nag-retire na. You never told this committee na nag-lateral pala doon sa BSP. You lied. And that's on record. And that's on record. Madam GM, Vice President ka pala. That's on record. When the committee asked you about the presence of these two, sabi po ninyo, nag-resign na, nag-retire. You lied because this is your letter. It was signed by Maria Vilma Torla, Senior Vice President. Dito, apat na teller. Number 1, Bautista Tristan Roy. Number 2, Landbank Tugigaraw. Number 2, Bilaluz Victor Jr. Nandito yan. Landbank Tugigaraw. Number 3, Porto Anjolar. Resigned effective April 30, 2023. It's a different thing. Lateral and resigned. And you lie in this committee. Number 4, Corpus Mark Jan. Resigned effective July 30, 2023. Oh, this is your signature. Sorry? Oh, si Torla saan? But you know Senior Vice President Torla. Is he present?
Good morning, Your Honors. If I may speak for
Sandali muna. Is he present? Wala.
Your Honor, we have a letter addressed to the committee that excusing her from this
Why?
hearing because she has prior commitment. She has a board meeting right now
Yun.
at the
Madam.
UTPD. Your
Madam,
Honor.
but when the deliberations in the previous hearing, hindi na sinabi. Nung tinanong kayo, sabi niyo resign, the same as dito. Yung pinirmahan ni Torla. That they have resigned. Both of them. The same date. Ano? Yung isa pala April 30. Ikaw, Porto, April 30. Tama?
Mr. Chair, effective May 5 po. And April 30 po yung ano na, yung na-serve yung resignation, yung
Kaya nga, April 30. Ikaw, Corpus. April 30 din.
Effectively po, August 18 po.
August 18.
Yes po.
O, yung
Mr. Chair.
appointment mo.
Yes po, because it's a lateral transfer po.
Kaya nga eh. You never resigned, di ba? Kaya nga nagulat ako kanina, nag-resign yung babata nyo. Eh, pa lateral transfer. Eh, tanong ko, ba't nagpa-lateral kayo? Is it a promotion?
No po, Mr. Chair.
Oh, you applied for it?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Since when? Kailan ka nag-apply? Kayo? Ay, submit nyo ka dito yung application nyo for lateral transfer. Pakisubmit nyo ha. Because if you cannot submit it, we will set you in contempt. Eh, niloloko nyo kami dito eh. Lateral pa kayo, hindi nag-resign. Chairman Kit, please proceed.
Thank you.
I just want to warn you again, ha? Okay, magsinungaling dito. Papatanggal ko kayo for lying in this committee. I will recommend.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Hindi na contempt. Tanggal. We will recommend. Tanggalin kayo dito.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Now,
Kahit mag-Supreme Court ka pa, iyo. Papakulungan namin dito. Mag-Supreme Court ka, wala rin. Kasi the statement is not leading to incriminate you.
Pwede ko bang malaman, Mr. Corpus and Mr. Porto, sino po doon sa accountable officers ang in-encash nyo yung cheque?
apologies po, Mr. Chair.
When you say apologies for what? Para saan?
Apologies po, pardon po dun sa question niyo.
Ulitin ko. Sino sa mga accountable officers ng government, provincial government of Cagayan, ang in-encash nyo yung cheque o diniliveran nyo ng cheque? Kasi yung mga accountable officers, they're considered payees, di ba? Ngayon, sino? Huwag kang lilikon sa kanan. Baka pati yung BP ng landpak, paalisin ko na rin yan eh. Hawak ko na yung rules. Tinitignan ko na kung saan kita ikakanal eh. At kung makukulong ka sa Quezon City Jail, baka hindi mo gusto, iho. Sinasabihan lang kita. Dati akong pulis eh, alam ko yung nangyayari. Ano? Sino sa mga accountable officers ang in-encash nyo yung cheque at ibinigay nyo sa kanila yung pera? Sasagot ba kayo o hindi?
I'm sorry, Mr. Chair, pero sa tagal po, sa tagal na po na nangyari yung transaction, hindi ko na po maalala kung sino po sa kanila.
Sigurado ako, ganun din ang sagot mo. Mr. Porto.
Mr. Chair, apologies po.
Ulitin ko ulit.
According po sa opinion ni OGCC, Mr. Chair, hindi po namin pwedeng sagutin yan dahil
And
sa
what is the opinion of the OGCC? Katabi mo yung OGCC, oh. Oh, anong opinion niya? Alam niyo, paiiwas kayo eh. Halatang halata naman eh. Una, mahirap sumagot kung kasinungalingan yung isasagot ninyo. Kasi nag-iisip pa kayo eh. Pero pag totoo yung sinasagot po ninyo, dire-diretso lang. Kahit na sinong investigador, alam niya yon.